We kick off with football as the Reggae Girls' hopes of advancing to the round of 16 of the FIFA Women's World Cup now hang by a thread after losing 5-0 to Italy in their second group game in France today. Karen Madden reports from Reims.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report brought.
The Jamaican fans, including Khadija Shaw and Trudy Carter's parents, poured into the Stade de Augusta de Laon as Jamaica's head coach Hugh Menzies made 4 changes to the starting lineup, which went down 3-0 to Brazil in their opening Group C game on Sunday. But they were in trouble as early as the 11th minute when, with the assistance of VAR, Italy was awarded a penalty. The Jamaican fans roared when it appeared that goalkeeper Sydney Schneider had saved the initial spot kick, only to see the effort called back and the 19-year-old shown a yellow card after being adjudged to have moved too early. Italy went up 1-0 after Cristiana Girelli converted from the spot. Girelli was on the score sheet again in the 25th minute from a corner, with Jamaica failing to take care of their lines. Despite being 2 goals down, the Reggae Girls rallied but failed to score to go into the halftime break trailing. Marla Sweatman replaced Chantel Swaby at the resumption, but it was calamity within seconds of the referee blowing her whistle, with Girelli recording her hat-trick. And though the Reggae Girls launched a small blitz on the Italian goal, with Mireia Gray being replaced by Jody Brown, it was 4-0 in the 71st minute when Aurora Gary's ferocious shot beat Schneider. Lauren Silva made her long-awaited return to the team, replacing Sade Adamelakon, but Gary would make it 5-0 in the 81st minute. Speaking at the post-match press conference, head coach Hugh Menzies lamented the early setback.
I do think the penalty kick being called back let a little bit of air out of our balloon. But we have to learn to deal with that. We have to learn to deal with calls that we don't think are correct. And this is part of the experience. We have to figure ways to get back on track, get back on game plan.
Menzies also pointed to the mismatch in resources in Jamaica compared to the top teams in the world, but he says there are lessons to be learned.
We just have to as a country, as a nation, as corporate Jamaica has to come in and invest in football, because we do have the tools. We're here, we're learning as we go along. It's unfortunate that we have to come here to learn.
With the win, Italy advanced to the knockout phase on 6 points, with Brazil and Australia on 3, but the Brazilians have a better goal difference. The Jamaicans will head to Grenoble on Saturday for their final Group C fixture against Australia on Tuesday. Reporting from the FIFA Women's World Cup in France, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.